In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Workspace admin account for your organization. Setting this up properly gives you full control over users, security settings, devices, and overall workspace management. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Google Workspace website. From there, navigate to the Admin section where you'll see the option to manage Google Workspace for your organization. This page explains how you can add users, manage devices, and configure security settings. Click on Get Started to begin creating your admin account. You'll be guided through a short setup process. The first step is to enter your business information. You'll need to provide your business name, the number of employees, including yourself, and your country or region. Once you've filled in these details, click Next. After that, you'll be asked to enter your contact information. This includes your first name, last name, and a current email address. Since you're creating the account, you'll automatically become the primary Google Workspace admin. This means you'll have full administrative control over the account. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to set up your domain. You have two options. You can either purchase a new custom domain through Google, or you can use an existing domain that you already own. Select the option that works best for you. If you choose to buy a new domain, you'll be able to search for available domain names and select one. If you choose to use an existing domain, you'll enter your domain name and follow the verification steps to confirm ownership. Continue following the prompts by entering the required information, such as creating your admin username and password. Once all the steps are completed and your domain is verified, your Google Workspace admin account will be successfully created. And that's it. You now have your own Google Workspace admin account ready to manage your organization. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.